Hello students, now in this session we'll start new exercise 2.6 of chapter fractions and decimal. Now today we'll do question number 1 and question number 2. Okay, so in question number 1 we have 7 questions, and out of 7 questions I will only explain first 4 sums and the rest of the 3 sums would be your homework, students. Okay, it is very easy. How it is easy? You see. Now number 1, what is there? 0.2 into 6. So 0.2 into 6. Now this type of sum can be solved in 2 ways. Directly just by multiplying it, or the another way is that you have to convert the decimal form into the fractional form and then you multiply and then again you convert it into the decimal form. Okay, so I am going to do the second method. That is 0.2 could be written as 2 by 10, as because after decimal how many digits are there? 1. That is the reason I have divided 2 with 10. Now I will multiply 6. Now 6 is carrying 1 as a denominator. Now simply we'll add, will not reduce. Simply we'll add. Simply we'll multiply. That is 2 into 6 is what? 12. 10 into 1 is what? 10. Now just convert it into the decimal form. You people only know only. So there is only 1 0. So answer would be 2.1. That's it, as simple as this. Fine. So let's now solve number 2. So what we have number 2? We have 8.46, isn't it? 8.46. Now again we'll convert it into the fractional form. That is 8 into 46 by 10. 46 by 10. Now what we have to do? We have to multiply, isn't it? So 8 into 46 will give us what answer? Answer would be 368. 368 upon 10. Now finally what we have to do? Finally we have to convert it again into the decimal form, as this fraction is carrying 10. So what would be the decimal form? That is of 8. Then we'll put decimal and then we'll write 6 and 3. So this is the required answer. I know that everyone knows how to convert it. Fine. Now let's do sum number 3. Yes, sum number 3. That would be 2.71 into 5. So it is as similar as what we have done. Okay. So this is sum number 3. Okay. So 2.71 into 5. Now what we have to do? We have to again convert this into the fractional form. So that would be 271 by 100 this times. Why? Because after decimal how many digits are there? 2. That is the reason we have to divide 271 by 100 and then we have to write 5 by 1. Okay. So what would be the product? What would be the product if you multiply 271 with 5? The answer would be 1355. 1355 upon 100, because 100 ones are 100. Now just you have to convert it into a decimal form. So 2 zeros are there. So how to write? 5. Now put the decimal. And what are the next digits? 1 and 3. So this is the required answer of sum number 3. Now let's move on to sum number 4. These are very simple, students. Now 20.1 into 4. So 20 into 4. So what we have to do? We have to convert this into the fractional form. So 201 by 10. As because after decimal how many digits are there? 1. So we have to divide 201 by 10 into 4. And you can write 1 also, no problem. Fine. Now what we have to do? We have to just multiply this with this. So answer would be 804 upon 10. So how to convert it? How to convert it? What was the final answer? As because how many zeros are there? 1. So answer would be 4. Then we put point. Then we'll write the rest of the digits. That is 80.4. So these are the solution of sum number 1, sum number 2, 3 and sum number 4. So the rest of the sums, that is 5, 6, 7 would be your homework. Okay. Now let's see what is there in question number 2. This is question number 2. Find the area of a rectangle whose length is 5.7 centimeter breadth is 3 centimeters. So let me just draw one rectangle first. Okay, so this is a rectangle where opposite sides are equal, as we know. Fine, and this is considered to be the length. So length is given what? Length is given 5.7 centimeter. So length is 7 and this is breadth. So what is breadth? 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. So both the values are carrying the same unit. 5.7 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Both are carrying the same unit. Now we have to find the area. Now what is the formula of area of a rectangle? So we will write it down. Area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle equals to what? Length into breadth. Right? So area of a rectangle is what? Length into breadth. Now in place of length, what is the value of length given? 5.7. So we will write 5.7 centimeter. And then what is the value of breadth given? 3 centimeter. Fine. So again what we'll do? We'll convert the decimal form into fractional form. So 57 by 10 and 3. Now how many centimeters are there? 2. So how to write? Centimeter square. Fine. So as because 2 centimeters are there, I have written centimeter square. If there would have been 3 centimeter, then I would have written centimeter to the power 3. That is centimeter cube. Now just multiply it. Now 57 into 3 is what? What is the value of 57 into 3? That would be 171. 171 by 10 centimeters square. Okay. Now finally what we have to do? We have to again change the fractional form to the decimal form. So how many zeros are there? 1. So I know you all know how to write the answer. Yes, 1.71 centimeter square. So this is the final answer of question number 2. So that's it for today. God bless you all. Thank you so much and all of you take care.